Uy, the return of the comeback. Guys, this is the Meizu na MBLU 21. Dalawang phone na nilabas si Meizu itong kanilang pagbabalik, the MBLU 21 and si Note 21. Now, this is yung kanilang pinaka-budget friendly na smartphone na nilabas dito sa Pilipinas, and tatalakayin natin dito in this video kung worth it nga ba siya. Would it be a perfect na budget-friendly phone? Stay with me until the end of this video. Now, ito si Meizu MBLU 21 na may 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage is priced at $3,999, and ang kanya 620 gigs of storage is currently priced at $4,999, which I'll post the link on the description box below. Now guys, kung tinatanong nyo ako kung worth it nga ba to buy the 128, which is a 1,000 pesos increase, more expensive than the 64 gig, I would tell you to buy a mem card na 128 gigs of storage. Dahil meron naman siyang micro SD card slot dito na pwede nyo gamitin, i-maximize yun na. Kasi for me, having a processor na Unisoc na T606, adding another 2 gigs of RAM, medyo hindi ganun ka-useful. So I would suggest na bumili kayo ng micro SD card na SanDisk, which worth 388 pesos, ang kanyang 120 gigs of storage, para ang storage mo maging 64 plus 128. Pag bill out ka, it's roughly 4,400 pesos, which is still better than the 4,999. Like I told you, mas maganda, mas malaki storage. Pagdagdag ng 2 gigs of RAM, if you're using it for just a basic usage, not really that practical. Link ng SanDisk, I'll put it on the description box. Napag-usapan natin kanang design. This is probably one of the blue na gustong-gusto ko. I love the color blue on this one. It looks really nice and very unique. Lalo ko na ilawan siya, makita mo parang iba yung sparkle niya dito, though. Looks really good. And ang kanyang size is also blue, makes it looks even better. Sa ilalim, nandiyan pa kanyang audio jack. And surprising, at this price point, meron siyang stereo speaker sa taas and sa ilalim. Goods, di ba? The only thing na hindi ko masyado gusto is makapal ang kanyang bezels until sa baba na mas makapal pa. Pati ka ng punch hole is not that small. Now, probably you might be wondering kung parang meron sunlight dito sa likod natin. And honestly, it's not sunset hours, no? So, it's roughly almost midnight right now, and nagsishoot tayo ng video. So, gusto ko lang share sa inyo itong bagong gadget na ginagamit natin, no? It's called the Photo OLED na flashlight. It looks really nice, very compact. Pwede mo siya i-charge using Type-C port, no? So, definitely mabilis siya i-charge. What's nice dito sa kanya, it adds more contrast sa inyong video as a content creator, or you just simply want to have some lighting sa bahay ninyo, okay na okay ito. Hindi lang naman siya pang flashlight, no? But you can use it to give some accent sa loob ng yung room, like this one. So I have 4 colors to, no? May yellow tayo, may blue, may white, may red. Pwede mo i-adjust yung layo niya, depende sa kailangan mo. And there's a lot of patterns din na kasama sa package. Pwede mo rin siya i-mount sa tripod so hindi mo na kailangan hawakan. And definitely, it's a good investment if you're a content creator. So if you're interested dito sa flashlight ni Photo OLED, link on the description. So since ginalaw na natin, gawin na lang natin blue ang sunset natin. Meron bang ganun? Blue na lang siguro para i-pattern dito. Now, this phone is being powered by the very entry-level na Unisoc na T606, having a 233,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. It's a very entry-level na score, and ito ang kanyang breakdown scores. Ito nakuha natin sa Wildlife stress test kasi hindi natapos ang Wildlife Extreme kahit ilang beses mo pa ulitin. Ito score naman nakuha ko dito sa CPU benchmarking sa kanyang Geekbench, and ito naman kanyang GPU benchmark. Usapang battery, this one has a 4,900 mAh na battery which can charge as slow as 10 watts. No, 10 watts is so slow and it's already 2025. Sana ginawa man lang niya ng 18 watts to at the very least to let you feel a faster charging experience kasi most likely if you're charging this from 0 to 100 takes you siguro beyond 3 hours bago matatapos to. Pero kung tatanungin mo kung kaya naman niya magtagal ang kanyang battery, no problem as long as you're not using it for gaming or heavy usage. One whole day, walang problema dito. And nung sinalang ko sa PC Mark na battery stress test, halos 14 hours ang binigay sa akin ng screen on time, which is for me, not bad. Pretty solid. Now, this phone has a 6.79-inch na IPS LCD which can let you display up to 720p, and meron din siyang 90Hz screen refresh rate. For a price point like this one, having a 90Hz screen refresh rate, I think it's still not bad. Except na hindi ko lang masyado gusto ang kanyang color resolution. Medyo mas maputi siya than normal. Madalas ko nakita to photo nito on other smartphones na ginagamit natin or benchmarking, no? Pansin ko kanyang orange dito, medyo mas maputi compared to other smartphones. Probably ang gamit nila IPS LCD dito is yung medyo mas lower end. Kung nagbabrowse ka naman sa socials dito, Facebook, TikTok, and of course, YouTube, expect mo, okay, smooth naman ang swiping experience dito. Except na mapapansin mo lang talaga na parang medyo mas maputi ang kanyang display. If you're watching naman content dito on YouTube, expect mo naman na okay din. Mag-enjoy ka naman, at the very least, masasabi ko naman sa inyo, except that siguro yung kanyang color resolution for me, hindi lang ganun kaganda. And one thing na nagustuhan ko rin dito sa kanya is may stereo speaker siya. Isa sa ilalim and isa sa ibabaw. Tara, try lang natin. Now, honestly, katamtama lang nga ng sounds. Even though na may stereo speaker siya, well, hindi naman siya sobrang malakas. Now, naglaro naman tayo ng Call of Duty Mobile dito sa phone nito and setting to medium graphical settings. Honestly, the gameplay is just okay. There are frame drops along the way. You really feel it na medyo a little bit sluggish kasi si T606 is, well, a very entry-level na smartphone na processor. And the touch is okay for me, and the sounds is quite good for a 3,999 na smartphone na. But probably the only thing na hindi ko masyado trip lang dito while playing games is that hindi ganun kaganda ang kanyang color resolution. That's what I can say. Nung naglalaro tayo ng Call of Duty Mobile, ito ginamit ko. This is called a Nank na Clip Pro, and yun ang mga uso ngayon, no? Mga clips, no? Mga open ear type, OWS na tawag nila. What you do is that you put it dito sa inyong tenga, no? Parang ano lang, nakasabit, may bling-bling ka dito. Yung parang may sing-sing ka dito sa labas, no? Yan yung itsura niya, and yung sound is ibabato na sa loob ng yung tenga. Now, what's nice dito sa kanya is that when you're using this one, narinig mo pa rin mga tao na sasalita on your surrounding. Hindi yung yung parang wala ka naririnig from the outside world. No, this one, okay siya kahit mag-drive ka, gamit mo to. I don't think it's a problem kasi marinig mo pa rin mga busina. And what's nice dito sa kanya is that tumatagal to, no? On a single charge kaya na magtagal na 4 hours. Based sa aking experience, yung kanyang sound quality is just balanced. If you're listening to Spotify, not so bad ang kanyang quality. And if you're playing games, walang maging problema, no? I don't feel na medyo nag-lag siya sa Call of Duty Mobile. Parang normal naman siya, okay naman siya. Siguro may low latency din to. And another thing na magugustuhan mo rin dito sa kanya, if hindi ka mahilig sa mga in-ear type, no? Pwede mo i-try tong kay Nank. Now, nung tinry ko naman kanyang sound quality, if you're calling someone using this one for video chatting, okay na okay rin naman siya. Not so bad. Honestly, I love the sound quality, very balanced, very easy to use, and hindi siya irritable sa aking tenga. Now, if you're looking for something like this one, yung mga OWS na wireless headphones, pwede nyo i-check to from Nank. I'll post the link on the description. Now, pag-usapan natin kanyang camera. This one has a 13MP na main camera sensor with 5P precision lens, and meron din siya 8MP na front-facing camera. Yung kanyang rear camera can shoot you up to 1080p and 30, and kanyang front-facing camera can shoot you up to 720p and 30 FPS. So, quickly analyze natin some of the shots na kuha natin dito sa Meizu MBLU 21. Now, kita natin itong shot na ito. It looks good. There's a lot of details dito sa mga bato na ito. Though this shot is a little bit more overexposed sa kanyang background, pansin ko. So, trying itong bud na ito, okay naman, mabilis naman siya mag-focus dito, and okay naman kanang background blur, though hindi lang ganun ka-punchy ang kanang color. Equally said din dito sa flower na ito, looks okay, pero medyo mas maputi lang siya than what I see in actual. And looking at this flower, looks okay naman ka ng shot, though medyo kulang ng konti sa saturation. Pati itong shot na ito, medyo na out of focus siya, but not so bad naman ang shot na ito. Now, if you go indoor, low light, hindi naman ganun kaganda nga ng performance, katamtaman lang. Don't expect too much from its camera. And tinry natin gamitin siya ng portrait, pero pag focus na dito sa subject, sa likod, medyo clear pa rin siya. Hindi nag-blur all the way to the background. I'm taking this shot. Sharp naman ang ganang pagka-capture dito sa mga bag na ito.
And equally said din dito sa mga shot na ito. Not so bad, but could have been better. Pati itong mga shot na ito, mga tumbler, looks just okay. Now, if you're taking a shot like this one, okay naman siya. Kaya i-zoom mo siya, no? Medyo kita pa rin mga characters dito. Pati itong flower na ito, looks just okay. Na pagdating mo sa front-facing camera, medyo hindi na gano'n kaganda. Sobrang soft na mga photos na makaka-capture mo dito. Kasi medyo hindi na nila masyadong binigyan ng importance ang front-facing camera. Kaya the front-facing camera might suffer because of its price point. No, kita natin na yung mga shots natin, be it indoor, outdoor, hindi gano'n kaganda ang front-facing camera. Now, if you check ang selfie video, well, shaky. Though there are times na medyo gumagandang resolution, just find a good na lighting might get you some good video. Ang kanyang rear camera is equally shaky and hindi rin ganun kaganda ang kanyang video quality.
Now guys, ano masasabi natin dito sa MBLU 21 ni Meizu? It's a good entry-level na smartphone and well, honestly, welcome back to the Philippines, Meizu Philippines. And this phone, I would say na 3 at 3,999, it's okay. Not so bad, you can use it as a daily driver, pang backup, or if you're really tight on the budget, pang Facebook and for calls, okay naman itong phone na ito. I would say not so bad, except that don't expect too much sa kanyang camera and don't expect too much din if this one can play yung mga medyo mas medium graphical settings na game, hindi mo talaga ma-enjoy dito sa phone na ito. Dahil sa kanyang budget-friendly na price point, this phone is just meant for people who are really budget conscious or siguro looking for a backup phone. But overall, I love yung kanyang design, looks really nice. And if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, I'll put the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.